Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and I wanted to make a quick video to walk you through the last chance items today, our new kits, and whatever else I see here on the website. So when you're shopping, of course, you have these scrolling things up here you can use as well, but we're going to go, right here, deals, designer series, paper and cardstock sale. I forgot to say that one. So this is where you can see the sale, the prices, and add to cart right there. Of course, if you're on a mobile device, we still have these options. I think it's a hamburger uh, menu on the top left. Let me go on my phone real quick so you can, so I can verify that. Okay, stampingup.com. Okay, yeah, so hamburger menu, deals, shop, etc. Yeah, it's on your phone or whatever. Okay, we're going to scroll down. We see the sale price. You can just add to cart. You can bump it up to more than one, etc. Really good deals. These are 15% off, and the designer papers are great deals, right? But these cardstocks, great deals. So two-tone is that 12 by 12 that's white on the inside, light on one side, dark on the other, and it's great for hot foiling, which is amazing. So you got all this 12 by 12, and then there is a lot of 8.5 by 11 on sale also. So vanilla, a lot of colors. I did not like count to see if it's all, but I think all the in colors 8.5 by 11. This is, yeah, basic black 12 by 12. Basic beige 8.5 by 11. Lots of colors here. White was not in the sale. Black is though, etc. So there you go. A couple are currently unavailable. They'll be coming back in stock, but probably maybe not in time for the sale. Okay, let's go back to shop. You can shop hot foil right here, of course. Kits collection. So we had 2 new kits released today, August 4th, 2026. And I got to see this one on a video with Stampin' Up yesterday where a girl was holding it. It's 13 inches brim. It is like a fabric hat. It's actually a fabric, like a velvet sort of, I don't know if it's real velvet, but velvety sort of material, I believe. And you do need a hot glue gun to put that together, but that looks amazing. I would get that ASAP. And another kit came out as well. There's a lot of kits in here, but this one came out yesterday. I believe these are home decor pieces, not cards, I think. And yeah, you can like clip it to our little clipboards and stuff. Super cute though, very pretty. Or you could use it for something else, make a paper bouquet, a wreath, you can think out of the box. These kits do make great gifts, activities for parties. I can even do a party for you. There's those clipboards where everybody gets to make a kit, etc. So lots of kits. We have some older Halloween kits because that's coming up, etc. Okay, what was my other thing? Our new product of the month is out. I'm not sure where we see that. Oh, right here, because this is the customer website. I'm not used to it. The Glow of Harvest. This is like a pearlized specialty 12 by 12 paper. You get 12 sheets, 12 by 12 for only $5 with any $75 purchase. You have to add that on yourself. You can still add on, not that, Begonia Bell, but you can only pick one per order. Okay, and then last chance. That's our other thing. So deals, last chance products. This got updated today. So you can sort on any of the pages by newest, oldest, relevance, price, low to high, price, high to low. I like to go low to high on the last chance list. And these items are while supplies last. They're retiring, not coming back. And some of them are discounted. Not all, and some of them may be discounted in the future, like further. But there's great deals. Oh, my bubble bath ribbon is retiring. No, I love this ribbon. I haven't looked closely yet. You can find some older things that we still have in stock. Yeah, so lots of cool things here. Let's just scroll through real quick and see what is last chancing the Sweet Jar Builder bunch. So sad. Gorgeous papers, kintsugi inspirations, splashes of sparkles. Those are foil papers. Some kits. Again, these make great gifts, great activities for whatever you need activities for. If you are in my memory keeping club or not, Memories in Bloom scrapbook workshop kits, these are amazing. You make literally 6 full, very fancy pages. Sorry, there's the 2, 4. What am I doing? Where's the 4, 6? Okay. Has full printed PDF instructions. You do cut up the designer paper, but it's got everything in there. Anyway, so there's some great deals on these memory scrapbook workshop kits is what we call them. This one's only $16 from $33, so that's basically half price. So there's 3 pages right now, but again, this is while supplies last. These friendly foliage, you can still get the bundle, or if it's cheaper, I didn't look if these are discounted. Yeah, check the bundle prices versus adding stamp set and bundle together. But anyway, that's an incredible one. I don't know if I don't see the stamp set individually though. But you just have to shop it and see what's available because things sell out by the minute. There's some sticker sheets, last chance, that come with designer paper. Those are great for your memory keeping as well and card making. And the Stampin' Scrub is officially retiring. I don't know if that was on there before, but that's our old way of cleaning stamps. It still works. We just use the chamois now. The Barbecue Master bundle is so cute. Again, more kits, more scrapbook kits. They're throughout here because I sorted by price. The Help Me Grow bundle is amazing. Going out. The soccer stuff. This one, Scalloped Wishes, is amazing. There's another, they're all amazing. I love this one, Paradise Garden. I love that folder. And that's a hybrid embossing folder set. You can also get the full bundle and get the stamps as well. But that folder alone is worth it. It's so good. This is a great one, Springtime Scenes Dies and or the bundle. What was I? Oh, this one right here is great. I think I said that. Scalloped Wishes. I feel like I'm looking for another one. Friendly. No, I'm going to find it. Hold on. I can't think. Fragrant Layers makes incredible. This is the one, Forever Florals, that I'm like, these wonderful label dies, and it's just great words. That one's going out while supplies last. Kits are while supplies last also. Did I say that? I don't remember. And so when it shows a suite, that may or may not mean the whole suite is retiring. It just means at least one thing is retiring in it. Therefore, they can't sell it as a suite anymore, if that makes sense. So it does not always mean that every single thing in here is retiring. Might it mean that? Sure. Like on this one, let me see. See, the shiny ribbon is not retiring because it does not say last chance. This paper, I think, is not retiring. It's just on sale, but last chance, last chance. So just select items. But if you want to just bundle it all together, you can add that to cart while each product is still available, if that makes sense. Let me see if I can minus it. I can't. But if you need to edit your cart, just go over to your cart and delete. You can also shop from here. You can click add items and search descriptions or item codes. We even have a favorites list if y'all don't know about that when you're shopping. I'm going to go to all products. You can add and you can create different lists. So I'm going to click the heart. Excuse my cruise orders. You can have favorites or create a new list, and you might say my August order, for example, and create that new list. And then, did it work? Oh, there we go. And I'm going to add this to August order. This is just a list that I can shop from later. August order. And you can have multiple lists. And then when you go to your cart, add items, you can go to your list, select a list, August order. And then there it is. Boom. And if you're like, oh, I changed my mind, delete. Oh, I need 5 of these hats because they're amazing. Do that. Okay. I think I hopefully went over the main things I wanted to show you here. Of course, if y'all have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, dude, I do want to say one more thing. The Metallic Magic today demonstrators can pre-order the what do we call it? Radiance Awaits products. So there's even more coming out. Holiday, there's 4 new foil colors, Christmas trees, snowflakes, some an all occasion one, the big flat plate, so we can use the reverse foil pieces. If you want to buy those now, you would want to go to here. Where is it, y'all? Join, get started, or get started right here, and it's $100. You'll answer a couple of questions, pay, and then they will email you this coupon code, and you can shop at a discount and earn rewards. Or not on the coupon, but anything over the coupon over $20 and in the future. Anyway, so that's how you can get started and then be able to pre-order. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.